Dear trainees, welcome to the CNC Operator Machining Technician Level 3. Let's begin with the introduction of Module 1. Module Objectives. At the end of this module, you will be able to have an overview of the program. Understand India's automotive industry and auto manufacturing market. Know the job responsibilities of a CNC Operator Machining Technician. Know the job opportunities for a CNC Operator Machining Technician. Program Overview. The CNC Operator Machining Technician Level 3 has the following modules. Module 1 Introduction. Module 2 Assist in carrying out pre-machining activities. Module 3 Support the operator in performing machining operation. Module 4 Support the operator in conducting post-machining operations. Module 5 Maintain a safe and healthy working environment. Module 6 Maintain 5S at the work premises. Let's begin with the introduction to India's automotive industry and auto manufacturing market.
हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका CNC ऑपरेटर मशीनिंग टेक्नीशियन लेवल 3 कोर्स में। आज आप इस वीडियो में जानेंगे कि CNC मशीनिंग टेक्नीशियन किसे कहते हैं और ऑटो इंडस्ट्री में इनका क्या रोल होता है। ASDC के विवरण के अनुसार इंडिया की ऑटोमोटिव इंडस्ट्री ने साल 2017-18 में 2.9 करोड़ वाहनों का उत्पादन किया। इस इंडस्ट्री की 2026 तक 3 गुना बढ़ने की अपेक्षा है, जिसका मतलब 2026 तक इंडिया की ऑटोमोटिव इंडस्ट्री लगभग 6.5 करोड़ नौकरियों के अवसर उत्पन्न करेगी। इन कई जॉब रोल्स में से एक महत्वपूर्ण रोल CNC मशीनिंग टेक्नीशियन का है। एक CNC मशीनिंग टेक्नीशियन सुपरवाइजर या एडवाइजर की देखरेख में काम करता है। आपका रोल प्री मशीनिंग एक्टिविटीज में एक मशीन ऑपरेटर की सहायता करना है। इसके अतिरिक्त आप छोटे मोटे मशीन मेंटेनेंस एक्टिविटीज और मशीन कंपोनेंट्स की क्वालिटी चेक करते हैं। अपने काम को कुशलता से करने के लिए एक CNC मशीनिंग टेक्नीशियन में विभिन्न ऑपरेशंस की निगरानी जैसे गेजेस और डायल्स की निगरानी की क्षमता होनी चाहिए। आप में डेक्सटेरिटी, पढ़ने लिखने और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स और अपने आसपास के वातावरण को सुरक्षित रखने का हुनर भी होना चाहिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा ये सफर, जिसमें हम आपको सिखाएंगे कि एक कामयाब CNC मशीनिंग टेक्नीशियन बनने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा। आपकी सुविधा के लिए हमने इस कोर्स को 6 मॉड्यूल्स में डिवाइड किया है। मॉड्यूल 1 में आप जानेंगे कि एक CNC मशीनिंग टेक्नीशियन का ऑटो इंडस्ट्री में क्या रोल होता है। इसके अतिरिक्त आप इंडिया की ऑटोमोटिव इंडस्ट्री और ऑटो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मार्केट से परिचित होंगे। सेकेंड मॉड्यूल में आपको बताएंगे कि आप ऑपरेटर को प्री मशीनिंग एक्टिविटीज में कैसे सहायता कर सकते हैं। आप विभिन्न मशीनिंग प्रोसेसेस के साथ साथ आउटपुट प्रोडक्शन रिक्वायरमेंट और वर्क ऑर्डर को समझना भी सीखेंगे। थर्ड मॉड्यूल में आपको बताया जाएगा कि आप ऑपरेटर और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टीम को मशीनिंग प्रोसेसेस के दौरान कैसे सहायता कर सकते हैं। इन मशीनिंग प्रोसेसेस में शामिल है मशीन को चालू करना, मशीन ऑपरेशन का निरीक्षण करना और ऑपरेशनल डेटा रिकॉर्ड करना। फोर्थ मॉड्यूल में आप पोस्ट मशीनिंग ऑपरेशंस जैसे कि मशीन की माइनर मेंटेनेंस, टूल चेंज ऑपरेशंस में सहायता करना, डिबरिंग और गेजिंग एक्टिविटीज के बारे में जानेंगे। फिफ्थ मॉड्यूल आपको बताएगा कि एक स्वस्थ, सुरक्षित और रक्षात्मक कार्य वातावरण बनाए रखने के लिए आपको क्या करना चाहिए। और अंतिम यानी सिक्स्थ मॉड्यूल में हम आपको 5S के सभी सिद्धांतों को समझाकर एक स्वच्छ और कुशल कार्य वातावरण बनाना सिखाएंगे। इसके साथ ही हम इस वीडियो को समाप्त करते हैं और आशा करते हैं कि इस जॉब रोल से जुड़े हुए आपके सभी संदेह और प्रश्नों के उत्तर आपको मिल गए होंगे।
The automotive industry value chain has 3 major components. The first one is component manufacturers. The second one, original equipment manufacturers, also known as vehicle manufacturers. And the third one is auto dealerships. The automotive market is split into four segments. These segments include two-wheelers, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, and three-wheelers. You can read the examples for each segment in this slide. This infograph tells about the total production by the Indian automotive industry in the year 2017-18. The Automotive Mission Plan 2026 states that the sector is projected to grow 3 times, creating 65 million jobs for multiple job roles including machining, welding, fitter assembly, auto sales, car mechanic, driver, and many more. The Indian auto industry became the fourth largest in the world with sales increasing 9.5% year on year to 4.02 million units in the year 2017. It was the seventh largest manufacturer of commercial vehicles in that year. It contributes about 7.1% of GDP and provides employment to about 20 million people. The two-wheeler segment dominates the market in terms of volume owing to a growing middle class and a young age population. Moreover, the growing interest of the companies in exploring the rural markets further aided the growth of the sector. This is an infograph that denotes market size. It tells about the number of automobiles produced, the number of automobiles sold, and share of each segment in the market. India is also a prominent auto exporter and has strong export growth expectations for the near future. In addition, several initiatives by the Government of India and the major automobile players in the Indian market are expected to make India a leader in the two-wheeler and four-wheeler market in the world by 2020. This is an infograph that tells about the sales of luxury vehicles, number of automobiles exported, and the initiatives taken by the government in this sector. The Indian automotive industry possesses many advantages. Some of the advantages includes the growing demand of automobiles in the country, increasing opportunities in the near future, constantly rising investment in the industry, supporting policies by the government in order to develop the sector. Read the bullet points in order to understand these advantages better. Let's take a look at some of the top players in the Indian auto industry. It includes both Indian companies and multinational companies. Auto manufacturing market. India is expected to be the world's third largest automotive market in terms of volume by 2026. The industry currently manufactures 25 million vehicles, of which 3.5 million are exported. Click on the link below to get more details. India holds a strong position in the international heavy vehicles arena as it is the largest tractor manufacturer, second largest bus manufacturer, and third largest heavy trucks manufacturer in the world. Click on the link below to get more details. At present, there are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, 9 manufacturers of commercial vehicles, 14 manufacturers of two and three-wheelers, and 14 of tractors beside 5 manufacturers of engines. Click on the link below to get more details. This slide shows some of the original equipment manufacturers and their products. Have a look. Role and responsibilities of a CNC operator machining technician. Job role of a CNC operator machining technician. A CNC operator machining technician works under the supervision of a supervisor or advisor. The technician begins by reading the engineering drawings specified in the work order to understand the component requirements. The technician sets up the base level operations of the machine as per work instructions. He may use a variety of hand and power tools such as drill, cutters and reamers. It is the job role of a machining technician to look after the maintenance of the machines. He performs quality checks of the machine components. The technician performs ad hoc repair work like in auto service centers, gauging, deburring, and inspection activities. Responsibilities of a CNC operator machining technician. It is the responsibility of a machining technician to understand engineering drawings and set up machines as per the requirements, to support the operator in performing machining operations, to timely conduct process tests as per the requirement, to maintain the machine as per proper operational condition, to maintain a safe and healthy working environment. Training of a CNC operator machining technician. The training includes understanding of the component requirements of a machine, to set up machine as per work instructions. The training of a machining technician also requires him to perform minor machine maintenance activities and check quality of machined components. Job opportunities for a CNC operator machining technician. As a CNC operator machining technician, you will find employment at various original equipment manufacturers, or you can be self-employed or work on freelance. Some companies that hire machining technicians are named below. The following graph shows the career path of a CNC operator machining technician from level 3 to level 4, from level 4 to a machine shop supervisor, and in the end, the highest post for a machining technician is to become a machine setter or a master technician. Dear trainees, we hope these slides were helpful and you learned a lot. Thank you.